Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix the thread pull of our manual weaving machine, which if you've been following my channel you see that I've changed it to an industrial weaving machine. So we have this, it has a big rod and a small rod. The big one has a hole at the top and a screw at the bottom. So you screw that to this rubber stuff here. When you screw that, then you get the smaller one and screw it into that top. Screw it there. But before we screw it, let's remove the knot and fix the stuff we have to fix there first. So now we'll loosen the knot. We've loosened the knot. There's a knot at the top of that place, but no, don't loosen it, just leave it there. So fix this back. Then now put in this thread holder. Don't put it the other this way, put it this way. So this is how it's supposed to be. That arrow signs ought to be facing down. So you put it, you use the other hand to hold it. Put the next one. You put in the next one. So that's how you just be holding them, and just hold it firmly. Then now attach this screw to hold all of them together. So you tighten the screw very well. After doing that, you get this other stand and screw that's the one we just fixed the thread holder on it. So fix that firmly, and our pole is ready. It's actually ready. There's just other stuff that you just need to do, but our pole stand, our thread stand is ready. So now is this three stuff. This three stuff is for holding the weaving thread. So as for me, I don't use them, although it helps to hold the weaving thread in case the thread hooks so that it doesn't scatter everywhere, but I'll still arrange it. But let me just show you something that you can do if you fix it to a board. So this is if your let's say your machine is fixed to a board or something, but if you follow my video you see that I just fixed it in a way that I can just be moving my machine. Whenever I want to use it, I take it to the table. When I don't want to move it, I take it down because I needed the space. So I need space in my room, do you get? So I don't want everywhere to be crowded. So now you just fix it, you know, using this is plier, right? You use your plier to tighten it. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to tighten it so much. I'm just going to leave it like so. Then just head over to show you how it works. I forgot to make a hole at the third place, but let me just use these two ones to just do the illustration. So yeah, this second one, you're just going to pass it under the thread holder. Okay, if you pass it up so that you can get to this side, your thread is just going to have some kind of issues. I just pass it under. Okay, and just fix it at this second thread holder. Then you do the same for the third one. Don't know why I do not show it, but yeah, it's just the same process. So now I'm just showing you how it's just going to be going smoothly. Okay, if you are drawing it and everything, that's if you fixed it to your machine and you're sewing. You see now it was strong, okay, but the thread did not fall because that thread holder was holding it. Do you get? So now to make everything firm, you have to screw your thread stand to the board. So if you use that board that I did, then you're going to make your own a little bit longer at the back so that you can be able to fix this kind of stuff if you want to fix it. For me, I didn't, because I can just use it anyhow, but I fixed the thread stand. There's the way I did the thread stand. I'm going to show you how I did my own to improvise so that it can be strong whenever I'm weaving. So I'm just going to show you in the next slide. So this is how I did my own thread stand. You know, see me, all my things they're different. So I just got this board. Then I will just fix this thread holder, this rubber stuff at the bottom. I'll fix it to the board. But before I do that, I'm going to put in these little stones in the middle so that I can give it some weight. So to give it some weight so that I can be strong, then I'll fix it there. So whenever I want to use it, I'm just going to fix the top thread holder to this other smaller pole, and I'll be using my stuff. Me, I don't want anything that will crowd my room, so I just did it like this. Whenever I want to weave, I take my board, machine to the table, I fix this, I keep this at the back, fix the top, fix my thread, and I'm good to go. And that's how I've been doing it since. So this is how I used to just drop them at the corner. So whenever I want to use it, I'll just fix this here, fix that top, fix my thread, and I start using my machine. Or I start weaving whenever I want to weave, because I make my clothes in my room. You understand? So that is just how I do it. So thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time of stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for sticking to me. God bless you, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that others can get to see my videos as well. Bye bye.